Sometimes when you start a new document, your guides are locked and you're unable to select them. If you need to unlock them, go to View, Guides, Unlock Guides, or the shortcut is Command Option semicolon. Now you can select them. If you need to lock them again, go back to View, Guides, and Lock Guides, or the same command will toggle them for locking and unlocking. If you want to choose an exact measurement of where your guides are, by selecting a guide, you can go to Transform, and wherever your reference point is, let's say the left side of the document, you can choose your X value. If you have it on the right side, you can select it and you can do calculations within this text box. So I know that my document's 8.5, so 8.5 minus 3, and it'll move that for you. Same with on your horizontal, you can use those measurements here at the Y value.